Welcome back to my channel. This is still our Oman trip. Today is the day trip from Muscat to Nizwa.
Yeah, so Nizwa was about a 2-hour drive from Muscat. We arrived here around noon, so it's pretty hot right now. So this Nizwa city is built back in the 17th century. It was a fort built by the Sultan. It was a fort built by the Imam Sultan bin Saif.
Yeah, he tried to pronounce all the difficult words.
Let me look at it again. Okay, Imam Sultan bin Saif al-Arabi.
Good job.
Yeah, so this town is distinguished by the tower that's behind us. So the tower overlooks the souk that was right here. That's right here. So let's go explore the city. We just purchased the tickets to get in. The ticket office is right at the entrance. The cost is 5 Omani Rials per person.
Nizwa is one of the oldest cities in Oman, and it was once a center of trade, religion, education, and art. It's known for Nizwa Fort, a castle with a huge cylindrical tower built in the 17th century to defend the city's position on a major trade route.
Please forgive me, I know not what I do. I struggle to explain my feelings towards you.
The fort is a museum today and offers splendid views of this ancient town and the surrounding mountains. You can walk around in this impressive fortress and visit many rooms, passages, and towers.
I'm sorry for the things I put you through, the complications I may have caused you. Believe me when I say
you making cheese, honey, eggs, or nothing.
Okay, can I try one? How much is
yes.
one?
Yeah, what do you like?
What do you have?
Cheese, cream cheese, and honey, and eggs.
有点像煎饼果子。
Brown flour, salt, water, nothing.
This is Omani breakfast, yeah?
Yeah, breakfast, dinner, lunch, and
It's olive oil.
this better. Ghee.
Butter.
Yeah.
Ghee? Ghee is sheep.
So we just bought a Omani breakfast.
Pancake, I guess. It looks like a Chinese 煎饼果子.
But she didn't put anything like wrapped
Yeah,
inside.
it's just cheese, honey, and ghee,
Butter, yeah.
which is sheep oil, sheep butter. Let's try it.
Pretty good.
That's really good. These were the old tools that the ancient Omanians used to dye things. Well, this just makes you think that how much Arabics love dates, because they even made a special room just to store the dates. Jing Sheng Fang, 此晋升非彼晋升. This door looks like it's sealing away some evils behind. You open the door, you release a lot of devils. And this is where the Imam lives. So Imam is basically just like the priest in Christianity. The Imams are considered as the most important figures in every mosque or like a local branch. So here we have a map of the Nizwa fort. So that's the main fort over there. And here's the souk. I think we are in one of those castles around. And here is the tower that overlooks the souk. And this is how they used to cook back in the times. They usually prepare meals for the entire, I guess, entire family, entire military, something like that. So this is what they used to cook.
So we were in the castle before, now it's the fort part.
So this is overall map for the fort that's right next to us. So basically, I guess your invaders coming here, and then it's guided through this path if they want to enter the fort actually. And like throughout these paths, there are actually those holes called murder holes, where the soldiers just pour like hot water or like hot oil, I guess, just to kill the invaders. As you keep going up, then there's the actual space for the military guys where they can shoot at the invaders. There's cannons over the place, and yeah, it would be pretty difficult to attack this fort, I think. So this is a typical trap here. Pitfalls. So in the dark, you know, the enemy can't really see anything, and the soldiers would just remove those planks, and they'll just fall and die.
Found the murder hole?
No, not yet. I'm not trying to get myself killed, you know. This is the infamous murder hole. If there's somebody that you want to kill, just bring him in here, and then you just come up here and drop a rock down, and kaboom! Guys, so the small camel kept trying to get the mother's milk, yeah? But the mother won't let him drink any. You know why? Because this is a typical example of there's no free lunch in the world. Yeah? So bring your money to Dubai and buy your camel milk products. Yummy. Yummy.
So we just finished the Nizwa fort and castle.
Yeah, and now we are in the Nizwa souk. It's right next to the fort, so you can literally just walk here. It's pretty hot though. But are you ready to spend some money?
I don't know, not sure yet.
Let's see.
Nizwa is also famous for its handicrafts and agricultural products. Has an expensive souk with an array of products. It's one of the most important souks in the country besides Mutra souk. By the way, check out my first video of Oman for Mutra souk.
How silly to dream that you could be a real catch. What the heck? Maybe I'm just a fool for love, and you think you're too cool for love. Could it be we're all doomed in love? Maybe I'm just a fool for love. I'm just a fool for love.
Hey, so we are here at the Sultan Qaboos Mosque again, but different one though in Nizwa. Same as the mosque in the capital Muscat. the visit time is from 8 to 11 in the morning. Men and women also have to dress properly, so women have to have something to cover their hair and bodies, of course. So we came around noon, so we're not allowed to enter, but that's fine. We're gonna continue to explore the souks. But also something to be mindful though, is that they do take afternoon breaks here. I think it was from 5 a.m. to 11 a.m. that everything is open, and then they will take a short break from 12 to 3 p.m. and then everything will be opened up again from 4 p.m. to 10 p.m. So make sure that you come during these timings to make sure all the souk and the shops are open.
Maybe I'm just a fool for love.
Hey guys, so we just got back from the fort. We're back in Muscat now. It's almost sunset time. So we came to the marina area, Amouge Marina area, to pick a restaurant and enjoy the sunset here.
I have been craving for carrot tea for so long. I heard this is one of the best carrot tea in the Middle East. So we pick a Lebanese restaurant. I feel there are so many Lebanese restaurants, and we always start with fattoush salad.
So our food here has just arrived. Let me introduce to you guys what we have ordered. So here we have a cheese pie, their signature dish. Here we also have arayas. You guys probably have seen before from our Syrian restaurant episode in Dubai. It's basically just bread, and the inside is the minced lamb meat. And here we have another signature dish, which is lamb meat as well, wrapped in Arabic bread, and it's fresh out of the oven. On the top is a garlic sauce, and the red is spicy oil. Very good. And the spicy oil, I think it's a must to give it that extra little bit kick. Here's also a lamb cutlet. It's a little bit different compared to the Turkish style lamb cutlets.
It's like I'm eating lamb every single day.
Or every single meal. This is probably the best lamb chop we have so far, just compared to the other ones. And for dessert of the day, the most exciting moment of the day, we have some Lebanese sweets. A layer of sugar and flour, and inside is the cheese, and on top of the pistachio. Just finishing the dinner, of course. It's for some shisha after dinner time. Just gonna sit out here and relax a little bit.
And I have my Lebanese coffee.
So we just tried the Lebanese coffee for the first time. It kind of tastes like Turkish coffee, where it's much more dense, and it's just like espresso, right?
Yeah.
But I think Turkish coffee is still a bit stronger than Lebanese coffee though. So Jenny, how do you like Oman? How do you like it compared to Dubai?
I feel Oman is like a more peaceful. It's like a New York City and Florida. I mean, comparing Oman to Dubai.
Exactly, that's what I was gonna say. Dubai give you like feel like everybody's just on their money grind, right? Everybody's just on their hustle. But we're like Oman is very relaxed and laid back, and people are just chilling, you know. And also like I feel like Omani people are definitely a lot more friendly.
Yeah.
And their English is much better than
That's what I
Emiratis.
wanted to say.
Yeah.
Alright guys, hope you enjoyed today's video and the trip to Niswa. I think Niswa is definitely a must-go place in Oman.
Yeah, you have to come and see the fort. It's all historical sites that lasted a long time. Everything you see is real. It gives you a different feel.
Don't forget to check out our other Oman videos and stay tuned for the upcoming videos.
Yep. As always, don't forget to hit that like button and hit the subscribe button.
Bye guys!
Bye now.